Hi all, welcome back. Today I am going to show you one of the useful function in Microsoft Excel, which is SumIF condition. Okay, so here I have a list of student names and their scores against to the student, and I have semesters, semester 1 and semester 2 and semester 3. So here we have a repeated names. Raghu, you can search with Raghu. So here we have 3 times. Each one is semester 1, semester 2 and semester 3. So here I want to see Raghu, how much he scored in all 3 semester with sum. So for that we have a function in Microsoft Excel which is SumIF. For that you just select where you want to display the sum and enter equal to SumIF and select the range. So I have selected my range, comma, and give the text. So I want to see Raghu's score. So again we need to give sum range. So I have given my sum range and bracket close, give a enter. So here you can see Raghu scored 233 marks in all 3 semesters. Let's confirm that. So here I am selecting this one and data filter. So Raghu, okay. Here you can see the sum is 233. So this is how we can use SumIF function in Microsoft Excel.